founder, Acharya Srila Prabhupada, told them that all of you should come out and preach this culture all over the world. Spread the great culture of Krishna consciousness. Don't be enamored by the Western civilization, so-called progress, thinking that alone will be enough to make you fully satisfied. Because at any moment, if the petroleum runs out, the civilization will be topsy-turvy. At any moment, if the atomic bombs are thrown between Russia, America, whatever nuclear nations there are, then the civilization as we know it today will no longer exist. So you should go deeper into yourselves, seeing that the Western culture does not give all the answer. Many of the newly educated Indian youth are very much enamored. I see long lines of Indian, because I had to also wait outside the American consulate to get my visa. So there was a long line. But I'm only coming as a tourist, so I got immediate visa. But for those, they want resident permit to stay in the West. That's all right, no harm. But the point is that this will not satisfy anyone.